Hello everyone, welcome to this wonderful PowerPoint. It is called How to Design a PowerPoint. When you're getting started on doing a PowerPoint, you need to open up the PowerPoint, select a template, create them, put in all the information. You want to find photos, and then it's a good idea to do a conclusion. When you're opening up a PowerPoint, it's pretty easy. All you have to do is find the PowerPoint icon and click on it. Now, you might have a newer computer, or maybe even an older one, and you might have to locate Microsoft Office and find PowerPoint that way. With templates, you need to find a background that you would like. They can be a lot of fun, and they're great for PowerPoint. You need to find one that would go with the topic of your presentation, or find one that doesn't take away from what you're trying to talk about. Simple is better. Creating a slide is easy. There's no limit on how many you can have, but sometimes your topic might determine the amount that you have. They need to be simple and easy to follow, and all of the information should flow. You also need images that would help represent your presentation. Inserting information. The information should be brief, informative, easy to follow, and all the important information should be in bold. Hint, hint. Pictures shouldn't take away from your information. They need to go with your presentation, and they need to be fun. Alright, let's review on what we learned today. PowerPoint should be fun and informative, easy to read, easy to follow, and fun. If you have any questions, I'll be more than happy to answer them. Thank you for your time, and I hope you learned something today.